Are we ready? Is cabin 1 here? Cabin 2? Nice. Cabin 5?
Ozzy, Ozzy, Ozzy! He's excited to zip! Who?
Life has a lot to do with luck. The benevolence of it in the lives of some people and the brutality in the lives of others. But there is a place where a flame burns for every child, no matter how sick or weak they may be. It gives them a chance to believe that there is always hope out there somewhere, burning in a flame.
I promise to be extra silly and have the best week ever.